Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the composition and process of making ceramics. Ceramics are materials made by heating natural clay and other materials to very high temperatures. The heat causes the clay to change physically and chemically, resulting in a hard, strong material that is used in a wide range of applications, from pottery to construction materials. The main components of ceramics are clay, feldspar, and kaolin. Clay is a natural material that is found in soil, and it is the primary ingredient in many ceramics. Feldspar and kaolin are minerals that are added to the clay to improve its properties, such as its strength, hardness, and durability. The process of making ceramics begins with the selection of raw materials. The raw materials are then mixed together and molded into the desired shape. After the molding process, the ceramic is dried, which removes any moisture. Next, the ceramic is fired in a kiln. Firing is the process of heating the ceramic to very high temperatures, usually between 900 and 1300 degrees Celsius. This causes the clay to change into a dense, hard material that is resistant to wear, moisture, and heat. After firing, the ceramic may be glazed. Glazing is the process of applying a layer of liquid glass to the surface of the ceramic. This layer of glass protects the ceramic from wear and gives it a smooth, glossy finish. In conclusion, ceramics are materials made from natural clay and other minerals that are molded, fired, and sometimes glazed. The process of making ceramics results in a strong, durable material that has a wide range of applications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.